This is T-Tool, our all-in-one soft tissue treatment tool designed to save your hands while allowing you to perform world-class soft tissue treatment. During the design process, we reimagined what a soft tissue treatment tool should be able to do and how it should be able to fit in your hands, because there is no reason that working on a client or a patient should make your hands, fingers, or thumbs sore. So we set out, how do we solve that problem and make a better tool for you? When people look at T-Tool, the most striking feature is that it's not flat. You have this piece that's sticking up. This rounded headpiece serves as not only a handle when you're using the short and long beveled edges, it's also an incredible treatment surface, both the flat part and the rim. There are 5 main treatment edges on T-Tool. The first is the short beveled edge, or the narrow beveled edge. This is great when you're trying to perform scraping style IASTM treatment. Now what you can do is grab the headpiece as a handle to pull, or as a reinforcement to push this narrow beveled edge to save your hands while performing this treatment style. The second treatment surface is this long beveled edge. This works great when you're trying to cover larger surface areas, and what you can do is hold the rounded headpiece as a handle to pull or reinforce and push to save your hands while covering broad treatment areas. The third treatment surface is this rounded corner on the rectangular side. What this allows you to do is perform trigger point treatment or ischemic compression, but instead of having to jam your thumb and hurt it over time or create some soreness, you can grab onto the headpiece and wrap your fingers around the tool in a way that lets you save your hands and your thumbs while performing this style of treatment. Treatment edges 4 and 5 are both on the rounded headpiece. Whereas edges 1, 2, and 3, we use the headpiece as a handle, we can use the rectangular side as a handle. Now, treatment edge number 4 is the flat, slightly dome-shaped surface here. That works great for compression or massage style work, and you can also do big circular strokes. The 5th edge is the actual edge around the side of this flat part. That has a slight bevel, so you can perform scraping style IASTM work directly after performing the compression or circular massage work with the headpiece. So you can go back and forth, which is a really unique characteristic of this tool. Because of T-Tool's high quality finish on all the treatment surfaces, you can use it directly over clothing. This can be helpful in places where modesty is a concern, or if a client or patient is wearing clothing and you can't have access to the skin. A great example of this is the gluteal region around the hips. You can do this over yoga pants, jeans. It slides extremely well, and the surface is hardened and scratch resistant. T-Tool is the next generation of soft tissue treatment tools designed from the ground up to save your hands while allowing you to perform world-class soft tissue treatment.